With the continuous improvement of environmental awareness, people are increasingly concerned about the environmental performance of thermal insulation materials. Graphite felt is a new type of high-efficiency thermal insulation material, widely used in industrial and civil fields. Graphite felt is a thermal insulation material made of high-quality graphite as the main raw material. It is light, soft, easy to cut and paste, compared with traditional insulation materials. Graphite felt has more outstanding environmental performance. Graphite felt does not produce any waste gas, waste water, waste residue, etc. during the production process. It is a green and environmentally friendly thermal insulation material. Copper material stone graphite felt will not produce any harmful substances during the construction process. It will not cause any harm to human health and the ecological environment. Graphite felt has a high recycling rate. After the end of service life, can be reused after processing. It will not cause any burden to the environment. At the same time, graphite felt can also be made from recycled waste materials during the production process, further reducing the demand for raw materials. Graphite felt does not require high energy consumption processes such as high temperature sintering during the manufacturing process, compared with traditional insulation materials. Its manufacturing process is more energy efficient. Ring copper gem graphite felt also has low energy consumption during use, can effectively reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions.